Back at the garage, we're going to look at this 67 Ford Mustang Coyote swap. It's in primer. Of course, it's not been blocked, but this is just the first layer. It'll have to be block sanded down and primered probably a few times to make sure the body's as straight as it can get before we put down a base coat and clear coat of the DuPont Pepper Gray. I'm going to go ahead and just walk around the car and just show you the update of what it looks like as of right now. Right here you can see all the body work on the car has been done. Everything is pretty much squared away and roughed in to the point where it can all be blocked. Of course, this is the Coyote swap. Everything underneath it that's been already painted in the DuPont Pepper Gray is all taped up and masked off. All the interior of the car is all masked off. The dash will still have to be cut all along this edge right here, and then shortened on the sides so that it can fit inside this more narrow car. The exhaust also has to be ran up under it and up through here. You can see all of it's been masked off on the bottom to keep anything from getting onto that painted area up under the inner fender wells or on the rear end. And then all the trunk is going to be finished in just like that other one that had the 4.6 swap. But that's pretty much it for the update. If anybody's wondering about the body kit on this car, it's got the SVO side skirts and the Shelby Gt500 side scoops, upper and lower. The Shelby Gt500 trunk lid. These are Shelby Gt500, and the metal Shelby Gt500 taillight panel. Alright, that's all there is for the update on this 67 Ford Mustang. I'll be coming back next week. Hopefully, this right here will all be blocked in and ready for some base coat clear coat. You never know, it might be base coat clear coated. We'll have to just wait and see how far it goes along. But until next time, go ahead, subscribe, 1194 video, like, comment. It always helps my algorithm on the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Let me cover up your bumper. Hey, chill, don't tear my crap. That's expensive. Can we do a video?
That's too cool right there, buddy.
That's cool, right? Hey, we're trying a video. Ah!